on the topic what I have learned from cartoons. So my favorite cartoon is Shin Chan, and the reason behind it is he never focused on the negative comments passed by anyone. For example, if you ever have watched Shin Chan, you might have noticed कि अगर उसे कोई भी नेगेटिव कमेंट पास करता है वो उसे इग्नोर करता है, वो हमेशा बोलता है मैं इतना भी कुछ खास नहीं। तो इससे हमें ये सीख मिलती है हमें नेगेटिव कमेंट्स को इग्नोर करना चाहिए, हमें अपनी पॉजिटिविटी पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। Everyone should adopt this habit from Shin Chan. As some people take the negative comments very seriously. उन्हें कोई भी बोल देता है कि तुमसे ये नहीं हो सकता और वो मान के बैठ जाते हैं कि मुझसे तो ये होगा ही नहीं। But on the other hand, some people are very confident and hardworking. They are very determined towards their goal. For example, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी। बचपन में उनके फादर ने उन्हें बोला था कि क्रिकेट खेलने से कुछ नहीं होगा, but he proved him wrong, as now Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a very popular cricketer. The cartoon which I love the most is Pokemon. The reason is that this cartoon taught me one should never give up. As in this cartoon, Ash Ketchum has the leading role. उसके पास स्टार्टिंग में जब पिकाचू आया तो पिकाचू उसकी बिल्कुल बात नहीं मानता था। पिकाचू को ऐश बिल्कुल पसंद भी नहीं था, बट ऐश ने कभी हार नहीं मानी। He keep on trying, and one day Pikachu became his best friend. They both started winning so many Pokemon matches. So this teaches us one should never give up. We should keep on trying. One day we will surely achieve our goal. Cartoon which I like is Doraemon. The reason is this cartoon taught me that friendship never depends on any type of breed. For example, in this cartoon, Doraemon has so many unique gadgets. Sunio is very rich, Tekisugi is very intelligent, and he is good in every type of sport also. Jian is very strong, and Nobita doesn't score good. He scores mostly 0 in all its tests. But still, they all are best friends. But not least, I would like to say that apart from teaching the little things that matter, family is important, friendship is a gift, teamwork pays off, and to never give up. Cartoons in almost their every episode have something to make us grow into a better human. Thank you.